My team is quantifying marine biodiversity, the totality of species across Hong Kong. This work will establish an important census from which we can assess the impacts of climate change.
My research primarily focuses on the innovative generation of architecture and its material components through computational design and advanced fabrication techniques. Currently, the emphasis is on 3D printed ceramic brick specials, components, and prototypes.
The areas of inquiry converge on our work in restoration, where we seek to answer the question, if you build it, will they come? Our use of 3D printing and terracotta is a novel innovation to restore marine habitats and bolster them for an uncertain future. We were awarded a government contract for coral restoration in the Hoi Ha Wan Marine Park. Therefore, I approached the Dean of Architecture, Professor Chris Webster, who connected me with Christian and the Robotic Fabrication Laboratory.
I thought it would be an excellent opportunity to engage with another discipline. My team in the Robotic Fabrication Lab started redesigning the tile to make it 3D printable with clay. During the design phase, we incorporated the features requested by the marine biology team. The project is an excellent example of how expertise and knowledge of different disciplines can address some of the most crucial issues we as a society face today.
Our mission is to build dynamic marine ecosystems.
Recent research estimated that around 75% of the remaining coral reefs are currently under threat. To find a possible solution for this problem has been very rewarding.
In the future, we hope to be able to demonstrate that artificial structures can be purpose-built for marine communities.